I'm Ashla Taylor, and today we're gonna make a clay pot garden stool. You're gonna need the following: some scrap OSB, some foam, some fabric, a staple gun, a jigsaw, and obviously a clay pot. The first thing we need to do is get the inner circumference of the pot. When you get the inside distance from side to side, you want to subtract a ½ inch. For our pot, the piece of wood we're going to cut is 12¼ inches. Whatever method you end up using for your circle, when you have the line drawn, double check to make sure it's the right measurement. Now use a jigsaw and cut your circle out with your saw on the inside of your line. All right, before we move on, we want to make sure our circle fits in our pot without going too far down. Perfect. Now we're going to cut the foam. Just use your wood to trace the circle in the foam. Now we're going to cut a sheet of fabric to use. Make sure you cut it large enough to wrap around the seat. Think about it like wrapping a present. It may be easier to cut a square and then round your corners like we did. Now it's time to wrap and staple the fabric. And as you can tell, you don't have to be a pro. You just want to make sure it's tight and secure. Once you have it stapled down all the way around, you can trim any extra fabric off the bottom. If you're going to have this out in the weather full time, you might want to think about putting a cover over it or using a water-resistant material. Now you've got everything ready to go, and this will serve many purposes. The first use is as a container for your tools. The second use is as a small seat while working in the garden. And third is as a garden knee board. All right, guys, what other gardening hacks do you know of? Let me know in the comments below, and then make sure you're checking out the new episodes of Red Hot Building every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on what is that?
Chicken wanted to say
on Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the garden, I'm Ashla Taylor.